you guys love Parsi food, then you all must have surely eaten Patrani Machi. Today I'll teach you how to cook it. Patrani Machi is an exotic Parsi fish dish which is steamed actually. The fish is steamed in banana leaf. Hello everyone, so I am getting started to make my Patrani Machi. So my fish pomfret is ready over here and I've sliced it up very neatly and I've kept it. So I have some grated coconuts over here. So first we'll start grinding the masala for the Patrani Machi. So I'll tell you all the ingredients which has to be added. So to the grated coconut, so I actually see I have only one fish which I'll be showing you all how to make it. So according to that the ingredients will be that much. So if you are taking more fish, so it will double up. So obviously so here I have taken around half a cup of coconut, just half a cup of coconut, and I have grated it. So I'll put 1 teaspoon of salt into this. Peppercorns, so around 1 teaspoon of peppercorns goes in. I have cumin seeds, so I'll put 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds into this. This is an important ingredient which we have to add, and all these ingredients are really important. You have to add all of it without any fail. So we have some ginger, garlic, 1 green chili. If you need more spicy, you can add more green chilies, and we have some coriander leaves. So I'll add all of this into my blender. Squeeze a lemon, and I'll add little water and I'll blend it. Also what I'll do is I'll put some salt on the fish and I'll just brush it up like this so that it gets a little salty, it gets a little marinated with all the lemon juice and the salt on it. So I'll just squeeze a lemon on it. We shouldn't put any water. Initially, the hack is when we start blending, don't start by putting water in it. First dry grind it, and then in the next step put water in it. So this is how you can blend very fast. If you put water in the first step itself, what happens is it doesn't get blended, certain pieces remains whole. So look, I have dry grinded it. So see, now it has become like a dry paste. Now in this stage, if we add water and blend it again, it really turns out very well and our work is done faster. So in just a few minutes my paste was ready, and that too really fine without any pieces left. And I have a banana leaf over here. So what I'll do is I'll first dry my banana leaf. We are going to steam our fish in this banana leaf, but before steaming, this procedure is really important. We have to heat our banana leaf on a pan like this, or directly on the stove also. If you heat it on the flame, it is fine, but we have to heat it no matter what, because otherwise the leaves start tearing when we start folding our fish into it. So to avoid that, we have to heat the banana leaf like this on a pan or directly on the stove on the flame. And moreover, the good fragrance of the banana leaf starts emitting when you do this process. So better do this. Don't forget to do this before putting your fish into your banana leaf. Okay. If you are watching this video and have not subscribed to me, please subscribe immediately. We'll keep our banana leaf like this, and we'll start putting this paste over the banana leaf like this. Now we'll keep our fish over this, and again we'll sandwich it. We'll put one more layer on the top. So put all of the masala which you ground very nicely all over the fish like this. We will close this like this. So we have our steamer ready over here. We have poured water into it. Okay, so we'll just keep this pan over here. We'll put some oil over this pan, spread it out like this, and we'll keep our banana leaf fish onto this, and we'll cover the lid and we'll keep it for steaming on the stove. So let's steam this for around 7 minutes. So our Patrani Machi, the Parsi fish recipe, the fish dish is also ready, and it's looking so yummy. I just can't wait to put this into my mouth. It's looking so delicious. I love this kind of fish. Try this, guys, and let me know on my comments whether you liked it or not, because this is really exotic Parsi fish, Patrani Machi. Try this. Have a bite.
Hey, hope you enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up quickly. Subscribe to my channel and stay connected. Share with your family and friends. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Until next time, keep it simple, Simply City.